Hi there! Today, we show you how to increase font size with the toggle switch button using WP Dark Mode. Head over to Settings of the WP Dark Mode. Then, enable Show Floating Switch of the Switch Settings. Select Font Size Toggle button. Customize the button's position and hit Save. If you refresh your site, the font size toggle button will appear. The site darkens when you click on the upper half of the button, whereas clicking on the lower half increases the font size of the text. Go to Accessibility Settings, then disable Font Size Toggle and hit Save if you want to disable the font size feature. Enable the toggle again. Select Custom if you want to customize the size to your liking. Hit Save. Click on the Font Size Toggle button to see your result. Likewise, you can increase the font size to make the size even bigger. Download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free. If you have any query or need any help, contact us at support@wppool.dev.